Let's continue factoring, and I will show you how to do it using a calculator without guessing, slowly, step by step. Okay, we've got d squared minus 13d plus 40. Okay, the first thing I will do is highlight the number. Okay, so that's 40 and it's positive. Then I'm going to highlight the number in front of the variable. That's negative. Okay, so note the signs. This is a plus, this is a minus. You're looking for two numbers that would multiply to plus 40 and add to negative 13. Is it possible for both of these numbers to be positive? No, because if they're both positive, then when you add them up, you would get a positive answer. But here you got negative 13, so they cannot be both positive. Can it be that one of them is negative and one of them is positive? No, because if you multiply them, you will get, there's no way to get plus 40, right? Because if you multiply negative number by positive number, that's negative. So the conclusion is you're looking for two negative numbers here. They should multiply to 40 and add to negative 13. Okay, now we'll get to the calculator part. Let's go to the calculator. Let's start with 40. And then I'm going to start dividing it. But first, again, I know that one of them has to be negative and the other one too. So I'll start with negative 2. Okay, now I got negative 2, negative 20. Let's add them up. Do I get negative 13? No. Move on. Negative 3. Does that work? No, because that's a decimal, right? I need to be evenly divided. So that doesn't work. Okay, let's do negative 4. Yes, so negative 4 gives me negative 10. Let's add them up. Do I get negative 13? No, I do not. Okay, move on. 5. Okay, 5 works because I get an integer answer. Or let's go ahead and add them up. So negative 5, negative 8. We added them up, we got negative 13. So we got our answer. That's about it. Okay, not long. And then the answer will just be d minus 5, d minus 8. The other thing that I would recommend doing, especially if you're on a test and you're wondering, okay, did I get this right? Use FOIL. Use FOIL. What is FOIL? First, that's d times d, so that's going to be d squared. Then outer, that would be negative 8d. Okay, so let me write this down. So d squared minus 8d. Then inner, that would be minus 5d. And then last. So that would be negative 5 times negative 8, and that's going to be plus 40. As you can see, if you combine these, because these are like terms, that is going to match this term right here, which means that I got it right. So don't be lazy, check by foiling.